I'm out here today. I'm going to explore the MaryAnn Brown Preserve. I've been wanting to come check this place out for a while. So I know they got a pond. It's beautiful, man. It's quiet. Got a road. Picnic bench. Yeah. They got like little tree signs and stuff. That's pretty cool. The overloop. Huh. You can hike using a GSP enabled trail map. Oh, wow. Scan me. That's pretty cool. Trail maps. Huh. Downloaded the little map off the thing over there, so I'm gonna do a little exploring. It's like I'm the only one out here today. I got the whole place to myself. That's cool. That's just the way I like it. Got a lot of trails. The main trail. Look at this place, man. This place is gorgeous. Little adventure trip for my birthday. Huh. There's the pond. I was reading online that you can fish there, but you anything over 6 inches you have to throw back. Not that I would personally keep any fish in a public place like this. I just think it's a bad idea. Look at this place, bro. It's gorgeous. I thought I'd read you could camp here, but then I saw at the front it had a sign that said, "Oh, no overnight parking." Look at this place, bro. Shooting a little higher definition today and using the stabilization, so hopefully it comes out good. Oh, I like that. I like these trees for poles, man. That's awesome. I like to have something like that right inside the house. Because I'm just woodsy like that. Nice. I got some pits. This is nice. Oh, look at that lights. I wonder if the lights work. Check this out, right? I'm gonna let these thing of yellow jackets. Good thing of yellow jackets light my ass up. Okay, all right. It's a cool little place. I like it. Oh, there's a little building with a kitchen. Okay. Oh, there's lights. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is pretty cool. I got a little thanks for helping keeping kitchen clean. That's pretty cool, man. My favorite shirt says, I used to be a people person, but people changed that. Okay. Okay. That's pretty cool, man. Let's go check out the lake before I head off to the come. A squirrel. MaryAnn Brown Reserve, private property, fishing by permission only. Well, it says on the website that you can fish. You just have to throw everything back over 6 inches. Beautiful. Look at this place. Gorgeous. Pine house. Constructed in memory of L. Hydell Brown and MaryAnn Brown. Oh, look, there's a nest. Beautiful. I don't see any fish. Water's low. Man, we need some rain. That's pretty. All right, so we're right here. Here's the parking lot. So I'm gonna follow the main trail. Come back this way. Seems pretty straightforward. Tell you what, man. Some people for their birthdays they want to go out to Vegas and MGM and all that. This is what I was doing right here. This is my passion in life, the woods. If I probably wouldn't have got married to my wife, I'd probably be a hermit out in the woods somewhere. This is how quiet it is. Huh. Well, the main trail is pretty decent, pretty wide and pretty cut out. But then again, it is winter time. One of them guys I watch on YouTube channel came out here in August. Whew. I go fishing in August, but I don't go in the woods in August. June, July, and August. Squirrels, tree rats. One thing I like about this place I saw in the pictures, they got a lot of ravines. Come up on the first little bridge. Huh. Look at this place, man. It's gorgeous. Got a little water. Swamp chestnut. That's newly made. Yellow poplar. Made quite a few instruments out of that. A little further back, a little bit. Trail gets a little bit more primitive, or else I've done. Let's calculate it and went on one of the side trails. Well, that back there was that loop. I went to a loop and thought it was the main trail, but now I'm back on the main trail. Ravini, yeah. Oh crap. Uh-huh. There's the creek. Oh, the creek's all but dried up, man. And we need some rain here in Louisiana. Oh man. Oof. Yeah. Oh man, that ain't good. That ain't good at all. You get out here, guys, and repair this walkway. Tree must have hit it or something. Ain't good. Let me see if I can figure a way to get around this. So I don't believe there's a safe way to get down here. I could go down right there, but then I get my shoes all muddy. I don't risk it. Ain't no risk getting hurt. I'll loop back around and come in the trail at the front and see if I can get this part. Well, I see where they started building stairs right there. So it looks like they're trying to make a way to come down right here. So I'm gonna try and see if this is go ahead. It looks like sand. That shouldn't be too bad. That shouldn't be too bad. If no, it's not too bad. It's sand. Look at the tracks. Look at the deer tracks. Yeah. It's not too bad. Not too bad at all. That's one thing nice about these sandy creeks, is that you can you won't sink up to your ankles in mud. All right, well, it looks like they did do some work here. Watch this wood, because I'm a big guy. Nice. Okay. All right. Flynn would have loved this place. You don't know who Flynn is? Flynn's my rescue puppy. All right. This place is gorgeous, man. Cavity nesters. Huh. Look at this place. I could just hang out here all day. But I want to go check out a few places in Jackson, Louisiana. Get some lunch there. I packed lunch and left it on the counter, because that's how I roll.